We have previously talked about explosion-protected cameras and how their heavy-duty stainless steel enclosures keep sparks from reaching outside areas. These cameras are built to be used in hazardous environments classified as Zone 1 or Division 1, depending on where you are in the world. These sites also contain a much larger area with a lower hazardous area classification called Zone 2 or Division 2. The lower risk within these areas allows a different type of protection to be used. A Zone 2 or Division 2 certified camera has got electronics and mechanics carefully designed to never overheat or throw sparks. This permits the use of a normal camera body without an additional metal enclosure. These cameras are lighter, have a smaller footprint and are much easier to install. Being more cost efficient, they're still certified to meet the rigorous safety requirements of Zone 2 or Division 2 areas. You could say they offer no bang for less bucks.